Hello YouTube, this is Boneski. Today we are going to be installing BeOS 5 Personal Edition onto the Windows 98, 2000, and XP One Partition Multi-Boot. And all you got to do is you just have to download the file here on this website. I'll leave a link in the description. So all you got to do is download it, drag and drop right onto Windows 98 because it won't boot on Windows 2000 because it requires DOS. But now all you gotta do is just double click on it and just start the installation. It's just as easy as that. This is one of the easiest operating systems to install on the multi-boot system setup that I have. So now once it gets done installing, we should be able to boot right into BeOS 5 Personal Edition. I would not like to register it, and I do not want to view the README file. Alright, so now all we gotta do is double click on Start BeOS 5 and wait. Hopefully it reboots. There it goes. And here's BeOS 5. Now, as you can tell, I'm having a few issues with this operating system right now. The graphics card needs a driver for it, and we also have a swap file problem. So I gotta get those two things sorted out. But other than that, you have a fully working version of BeOS. And all you have to do is boot into Windows 98, and Windows 98 will immediately restart into BeOS. Alright, I thank you for watching. Please subscribe. You have a great day.